Good morning, respected competition judges and fellow innovators. Today, we proudly introduce our Competition Innovation Project, the Smart Student Affairs System, abbreviated as SSS, a student-centered educational management platform built by frontline university ideological counselors like us. From years of daily student administration work, we have deeply felt the obvious drawbacks of traditional paper-based management: scattered student data, heavy repetitive manual statistics, slow offline approval procedures, and the lack of targeted database student intervention. Therefore, we independently designed this integrated intelligence system under the guidance of TPACK educational theory and the 7 educator identity standards, perfectly balancing simple operability and full-dimensional data collection. We combine campus communication channels, academic management tools, vocational training platforms, and AI big data analysis into one unified digital hub, which greatly cuts counselors' administrative burden, realizes standardized whole process student affairs handling, and supports precise personalized ideological and psychological guidance for every student. We firmly believe that our SSAS delivers a replicable, low-cost digital transformation solution for higher education student management, bringing tangible efficiency and educational value to colleges and universities worldwide. I have 5 years of full-time frontline student counselor experience at Weifang University of Science and Technology. I take charge of all student affairs, including files management, attendance assessment, one-on-one academic and mental counseling to support students' all-round development. My core research focuses on applying educational technology to student management. I adopt classic educational theories to solve real campus problems, build digital service systems, improve administrative efficiency, and deliver personalized support for students. This presentation delivers a set of implementable digital working solutions for counselors. Combined with various online tools and student data cases, it builds a student-centered data service system, helping counselors make evidence-based guidance and boost student engagement. Modern student counselors are far more than administrators and discipline supervisors. We undertake 7 integrated roles. First, we are lifelong learners who constantly update knowledge of education and adolescent psychology. Second, we act as ideological leaders to cultivate students' resilience and positive mindset. Third, we cultivate students to be responsible citizens with empathy. Fourth, we collaborate with teachers, parents, and administrative departments for joint education. Fifth, we design class meetings and growth workshops to enrich campus life. Sixth, we guide students to solve problems independently. Seventh, we analyze student data and launch targeted interventions. As Yeats said, education is not filling a bucket, but lighting a fire. Modern student counselors serve as guides for students' growth, balancing academic progress and mental health. Traditional offline student management has 4 major drawbacks. Firstly, manual registration of records, attendance, leave, and awards creates heavy paperwork. Secondly, student data is scattered in separate files and systems, forming data silos and blocking cross-department communication. Third, manual operations lack unified standards, leading to inconsistent handling of student cases. Fourth, fragmented data cannot be aggregated to predict student risks. Based on these pain points, my core research question: how to transform tedious, disconnected offline workflows into a standardized, one-stop digital student management system? The core solution of this research is building an integrated digital campus platform which connects data channels of students, teachers, and administrators, realizes campus-wide information sharing and full online services, and completes digital transformation of student affairs from 4 dimensions. Firstly, it automates repetitive administrative work, freeing counselors from paperwork to focus on face-to-face communication. Secondly, multi-channel tools enable two-way teacher-student interaction. Third, student data portraits accurately identify individual academic and emotional needs. Fourth, real-time dashboards support schools to allocate resources scientifically. Core objective of this section: build efficient, high-participation real-time information channels for large groups of students with diverse demands. We adopt three major communication tools: class WeChat groups for instant notices and Q&A, college official WeChat accounts to release policies, ideological education, and career resources. Douyin short videos to spread campus information with youth-friendly content. Digital channels realize model upgrading, from one-way static notice posting to two-way interactive operation. It can actively release campus information and collect student feedback to build an active online campus community. This slide shows three daily communication tools I use: college WeChat official account, class WeChat groups, and official Douyin account. They complement each other to cover formal notices, daily communication, and lightweight campus publicity. Key benefits: no geographical limits to cover all students. Multimedia improves interaction. Cut costs of paper notices and offline meetings. Best practices: keep unified content style. Launch regular interaction. Optimize posts based on background data. Core objective of this section: simplify full-cycle academic management via integrated online teaching platforms and improve both teachers' teaching and students' self-learning experience. Xuexiatong is an integrated domestic teaching platform connecting counselors, teachers, and students with three core basic functions: real-time timetable inquiry, online assignment submission, and automatic grade filing. For counselors, the system automatically counts attendance data to identify at-risk students for early intervention. For students, it clarifies courses, assignments, and grades to strengthen self-learning awareness, reduce administrative errors, and realize transparent academic information. Beyond administrative functions, the platform contains online discussion boards, 24-hour resource library, and instant quizzes. It breaks classroom limits, supports after-class collaborative learning, self-review, and real-time learning assessment to build student-centered classes. Objective of this section: break geographical barriers via online meeting tools, and provide flexible, replayable career planning and job skill training for all students. Tencent Meeting is the core training tool for resume workshops, online sharing of industry experts, and mock interviews. It has low operation thresholds, supports cross-regional live teaching, and permanent recording of sessions. The complete online workshop workflow includes 3 stages: distribute pre-reading materials before class, use polls and breakout rooms to engage students during class, share recordings and slides in class groups after class to consolidate learning outcomes. Online training has 5 advantages: flexible schedule without travel limits, support all students to join at once, save venue and printing costs, replayable courses for review, invite experts nationwide remotely to broaden students' horizons. Traditional paper-based leave, file, and award procedures are cumbersome, so I design an integrated student affairs management system. It covers all offline business from admission to graduation, building a one-stop online service center accessible via mobile phones. The system dashboard includes 6 core modules: electronic student files, online attendance statistics, multi-level leave approval, reward and discipline records, scholarship application, and campus notice board. All procedures run online with automatic data storage. For counselors, automated workflows reduce manual entry and save time for student talks. For schools, unified management standards and complete traceable data. For students, 24-hour online service with real-time progress inquiry to simplify procedures greatly. Advanced objective of this section: shift from passive administrative work to data-driven proactive counseling. Combine AI tools, attendance, grades, and mental data to identify academic and mental risks in advance and design personalized support plans. This practice adopts the cyclic uses and assess framework to guide digital implementation and compares it with pain-only and tool-only models to illustrate its advantages. Practices prove digital tools improve management, communication, and support efficiency comprehensively. In the future, we will deepen AI application and student data security construction. That's all for my presentation. I welcome questions and discussions from all lecturers and classmates.